Hey everyone, Ash here with the Better Than Yesterday blog. Creating a small business is very exciting, but also kind of overwhelming. There is so much information to surf through, and you're never really sure where to start or what's applicable to you. The first place to start should be protecting yourself and your business. Download the Small Business Checklist as a reference. Most small businesses default to a sole proprietorship. Choosing the right form of business is very important to protect your business and yourself personally. Sole proprietorships are easy to form, but not always the safest. Sole proprietorships do not separate personal and business assets, which means your personal assets are not protected. If you want to operate as a sole proprietor form of business, then at least create a single-member LLC. This will give you the option to operate like a sole proprietorship with the protection of legally separating your business and personal assets. Here's a list of all the business formation options to consider. We have sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, corporations, C and S Corp, and the liability that comes along with that business structure. If you are considering a business formation other than a sole proprietorship or a single-member LLC, then it is best to consult with an attorney or tax professional for your individual situation. Consulting with a professional will help you determine the best formation option for your business. Now that you've legally separated yourself from your business, it's time to financially separate yourself and your business. Separating personal assets and business assets is a highly recommended practice. When you mix up personal and business, things just get messy. Keeping business assets separated from personal assets helps maintain your liability protection. You can do this by opening a bank account with your business name. This account will be used solely for business purposes. The next step is to always keep good records. Having good records just makes life easier, especially when something stressful comes up, like a lawsuit or an audit. Having good records is a way of protecting your business because you can reference the correct paperwork and easily access resources and supporting documents. You can maintain good records by keeping a clean set of books on your business. And if you don't trust yourself to do the bookkeeping, then hire a trusted bookkeeper. Also, keep all of your important business documents together, labeled and organized so you or someone else can easily find the files, whether you do this on your computer or in a file cabinet. And just having good records isn't all. You need to protect your files as well. Next, all businesses should have liability insurance, or some form of insurance that is applicable to their business. This is an additional layer of protection for your business to financially recover faster than it would without insurance. And finally, always get professional help when you need it. This practice will save you several headaches later on. If you have a complicated legal question or situation, then hire a good attorney. If you have technical questions or computer setups, then hire an IT professional. And if you have tax questions or planning and preparation needs, then hire a tax accountant. You get the point. Of course, there's a lot of research that you can do yourself, but consulting with professionals is the fastest and easiest way to get the correct answers for your specific situation. Of course, there are several other issues to consider for your business, but these 5 steps are the first steps to get your business protected and started on the right path. Be sure to continuously be thinking of the best ways to set your business up for success. Keeping the future in mind is the best way to do this. Good luck with your business ventures, and I look forward to hearing about your success.